Hello to everybody from Mustasan Faruqi, who I am, and today it's a short video about the languages. What is the part of our program? English, Spanish, and Urdu. It's a short video, and today it's very important for the guy who wants to speak good English, good Spanish, and good Urdu. In this sense, how you could speak politely, how you could be soft spoken. आप किस तरह एक मुहज़्ज़ब शहरी की तरह और एक मुहज़्ज़ब नौजवान की तरह बात कर सकते हैं। और इसमें मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपने दोस्ती करनी है सिनफ़ नाज़ुक से, तो ये आपके लिए एक अच्छा अमल होगा और उसका रद्द-ओ-अमल आपके पास आएगा। Every action has reaction. If you are soft spoken, you speak good, you are going to make many friends around the world, especially the girlfriends. I don't mind to say that. There's nothing wrong to make friends, even if it's feminine. Okay, so I will give you maybe 10 or 15 words or sentences, and this will be all about it. Let's start. प्यार की ज़बान, उर्दू में आप कहेंगे प्यार की ज़बान. The language of love, इंग्लिश में कहेंगे lenguaje del amor, स्पेनिश ज़बान में, जिसे एस्पानियोल कहते हैं आप, जिस ज़बान का नाम एस्पानियोल है, स्पेनिश में स्पेनिश ज़बान को एस्पानियोल कहते हैं. तो the order will be from English to Spanish, from Spanish to Urdu. Okay? Okay, number one. Number one. प्यार की ज़बान, my love. In Spanish, mi amor. In Urdu, मेरी मोहब्बत, मेरा प्यार. My love, mi amor, मेरा प्यार. Number two. My heart. In English. My heart. In English. Mi corazon. In Spanish. Mi corazon. Heart means corazon. मेरा दिल, उर्दू में दिल का मतलब corazon. मेरा दिल. Number three. My heaven. My heaven. My heaven. In English. In Spanish, mi cielo. Mi cielo. Mi cielo. In Urdu, मेरी जन्नत. मेरी जन्नत. मेरी जन्नत. Number four. My queen. My queen. My queen. Mi reina. Reina means queen in Spanish. Reina. Mi reina. Mi reina. In Urdu, मेरी नहीं, शहजादी नहीं. क्वीन को क्या कहते हैं? मेरी क्वीन नहीं, उर्दू में मलेका. मेरी मलेका. मेरी मलेका. Number five. My king. My king. My king. Mi rey. Rey means king. King of English become rey in Spanish. Mi rey, my king. Mi rey, mi rey. In Urdu, mere badshah, mere badshah, mere badshah. Sweetheart. 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 Sweet in Spanish means dulce. Sweet in Spanish means dulce. Corazon dulce. Corazon dulce. Corazon dulce. In Urdu, मीठा दिल. मीठा दिल. मीठा दिल. Honey, you call in the language of love to your partner, feminine partner, the girlfriend or the wife, even to the daughter or to a very beloved friend, you say, honey. Honey in English, miel in Spanish. Miel. My honey. My honey. My honey. Mi miel in Spanish means my honey in English. Mi miel. Mi miel. Mera shahad. Meri mithas. Mera shahad. Meri mithas. Keep going. Number 9. Let's say, my beloved daughter. My beloved daughter. My beloved daughter. Mi hija amada in Spanish. Daughter equals hija in Spanish. Daughter equals hija. Daughter means hija. Mi hija amada. Mi hija amada. Mi hija amada. In Urdu, मेरी प्यारी बेटी. मेरी प्यारी बेटी. मेरी प्यारी बेटी. Beti means hija. Hija means daughter. My loving mother. My loving mother. My loving mother. In Spanish, mi querida madre. Mi querida madre. Mi querida madre. In Urdu, Meri pyari maa. Meri pyari maa. Meri pyari maa. Then there are more words like my prince. ये भी प्यार की ज़बान. My prince. My prince. My prince. Mi príncipe. Prince of English converts to príncipe in Spanish. Prince of English converts to príncipe in Spanish. Prince equals príncipe. My equals me. Mi príncipe. Mi príncipe. Mi príncipe. In Urdu, mere shehzade. Mere shehzade. Mere shehzade या मेरा शहजादा. मेरे शहजादे या मेरा शहजादा. मेरे शहजादे, मेरा शहजादा. My princess. My princess. My princess. That comes to Spanish. Princesita. Princesita means princess. Princesita. Princess in English. In Spanish, princesita. Mi princesita. Mi princesita. Mi princesita. My princess. In Urdu, Meri Shehzadi. Meri Shehzadi. Meri Shehzadi. I love you. In English, I love you. In English, I love you. In English. In Spanish, yo te amo. Yo te amo. Yo te amo. उर्दू, मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. Goodbye in English. Goodbye in English. This is the last one. Goodbye. Then comes in Spanish, adios. Goodbye means adios. Adios. Adios means goodbye. Khuda Hafiz, Urdu. Khuda Hafiz in Urdu. Khuda Hafiz. So this was a short video today. I taught you a few words to be very courteous to the other sex, the women, the girlfriend, or anybody who is feminine. You have to be very respectful to the people, and these are few words which are going to help you out to make a good relationship and start some good friendship. In different countries you are traveling where Spanish is spoken, and they love all these words of love. Thank you, Pakistan. Thank you, viewers, and thank you, language lovers. We will continue this in the next few videos because we want you to have a good vocabulary. Vocabulario in Spanish, vocabulary in English, vocabulario. लफ्ज़ों की मालूमात उर्दू में कहेंगे आप, लफ्ज़ों की मालूमात. खुदा हाफ़िज़. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. वर्ल्ड जिंदाबाद. Goodbye for now. Thank you.